and in rural governance, Jilla Panchayat and our village government. So if we talk about the corporations, urban bodies, which is run by an IS officers like us, what is the situation? In the cities, see any city you see, even I have been in Bangalore, traffic jam, no greenery you will get in your for kilometers, rain harvesting. So with respect to governance, each and every citizen has to be sensitized that they should become a partner, ruler and to be ruled. This is the mindset that we will have to change. You must save the water through rain harvesting water. If you survey in Lucknow, only 5% houses are having rain harvesting water. So from where we will get the water? Government cannot do that. So again we will have same problem, awareness. So not aware, so no action. So situation of governance is a big challenge. This is the situation of city. The situation of rural areas are more bad, more worse, because in rural areas situation is better because they are not densely populated and they are not so ambitious also. Their life is very desi and rustic. I have worked with the village headman we called here in UP Pradhan, so they don't know what is climate change, whatever things are happening, they are not able to correlate it with the climate change. So if they are not able to correlate it, so they are not able to get the sensitization of its effect. So in governance, supply and demand has to be changed. What is the mindset? If anybody need water to drink, to irrigate, for any type of use, government should supply. If they need oxygen to inhale, government should plant and the government should ensure that it will survive. Every year we are planting the trees. What is the survival rate? I was also nodal in Hapur, and so again I am a good example of, I was collector Bada. So I was worried, every year we are planting this much amount, this much tree. So I changed the name of the concept. I did not implemented the tree plantation campaign. I did tree survival campaign. I changed the name to change the mindset. In place of tree plantation campaign, I changed the whole philosophy, tree survival, because putting the plant on ground is not your job. To ensure its survival, that is your job. So that is a big challenge, that is part of governance. Likewise, the water we required to drink or different form of use, that much water everyone has to save during the rainy season, which we are not doing. So this is and one more thing, we are talking in this hall, net zero. Nobody likes zero, so it is impossible to get zero. Who likes zero? Nobody likes zero. So first we will have to follow the Mahatma Gandhi. So I have 3 concepts for this governance. Please conserve as much water as you will use in a year during the rainy season. Plant tree, make factory for producing oxygen. As much tree you plant so that you can produce the oxygen which you will inhale in a year. And third thing, try to live plastic free life, bottled water. This is the biggest enemy of Jal, Jangal, Jameen, all the 3. You all know, if you put in the Google, our water bodies are in very disastrous condition because of this single. And in net zero this event, we are this example. So we will have to implement in each and every actions and activity your every action and activity is generating green gas. So it is not difficult as we are trying to put it. Earlier 40 years back, climate was better than this time because that time plastic was not there. Everybody was conserving water. Everybody was planting trees and trying to ensure its survival. That we have left, and because so this is the basic governance problem. We need to convince our people to follow their traditional knowledge and traditional practice. The moment we will do it, our problem will be reduced to a greater extent. And another point, one day I was studying that the requirement of water, oxygen and your food is the amount required. We need to more earth. We need to more earth. So we have one earth. That's why Elon Musk is trying to find out place on Mars, Mangal, so that we start living there. So that is the issue. We should start our governance bottom-up approach, not top-down. Top-down approach is completely failed. In policies, we are interested in making the policy. I have not seen in policy the clause of implementation. Problem is implementation. I have not seen in any policies, in any GO, in any directions, कि whatever you are saying in that policy or that GO, how you will implement that. So implementation is a problem, that is the biggest problem, that we need to correct it. Thank you.
Thank you. How beautifully you have stressed that we need to critically observe our daily activities if we need to move towards a net zero. So you have very beautifully explained that. So now I would like